user model for our React.js. So in Auth Controller, what we will do, we will create an insert a try catch block in our Auth Controller. So as you can see in our Visual Studio Code, we have created an controller in our controllers folder in our backend. And for here, what we have done, we have the three fields which we have created in the last video. For full name, email, and password, we have declared a constant, and in the body, we have enclosed them in a form of try and catch block. As you know that we have created a sign up form where we I have commented for now. Similarly, the login routes and logout routes. Okay, so for this, what we have done, we have created now after inserting the try and catch block in the auth controller file, we have created a middleware. This is for express route. Now, why it is needed? In order to interact with our middleware, means we have to interact. The authentication part would be managed by express.json library. Okay, so this app will use our express library in the form of JSON, and which is acting as middleware for express routes. Okay, so this API will call and in the auth routes, and after that we will create a hash password. So as we have used in our package.json file, you can see the bycrypt function. So bycrypt, which is used for creating a hash password. So likewise, we will uh, create a hash password in our auth controller file, and we will manage it in our form of in the form of try and catch block. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we will be able to see this how the password length will be getting managed in our sign up form. And for that, I will create a workflow. So I will explain the workflow first, and then we will proceed to the code. So this is the JWT token workflow, which will be responsible for managing our sign up and login users when they will interact with our chat application. Okay, so here we will see that the client will request the API token, which is an auth sign up or login, as we have seen in our index.js file, which is the auth routes file. And in the auth route, we can see the sign up, login, and logout functionality. So that will manage our accordingly, the API will call and it will create a user in our database. So in our database folder, it will check the user credentials, and if it matches, it will generate a AWT token, JWT token, which will be responsible for managing the encryption part, which will manage in our hash password, which is bycrypt function, which will use, and which will be responsible for managing the authentication in our controller file, which is the hash password. So this is the basic workflow which where the JWT token will get generated and bidirectional flow will be worked out. So I hope this video will be finding helpful, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos of which is our chat application, which will be very helpful for your need. Thank you for watching.